Guys, it's me, Angelo. And my last video tells you just a few minutes ago. That's just a few minutes ago. This bad boy here. It is my vlog plans, and I just wanna consult you that my friends already asked a few questions, but you're gonna watch that next week. And also next week is the last week that I'm gonna use my phone for all of the time. So now I'm trying to make all of this and all my future plans in one, to upload it every day and do it every day. And also my periodic test is already near, and periodic test for third mid-quarter exam is really important. And also for the periodic test, our periodic test will be maybe at the March the third quarter. Maybe we don't have fourth quarter because we're already graduating, and K-12 nowadays it's very complicated. Then also I will in the future months or years, maybe in my future videos, I'm gonna give you a tour to my school. Maybe yeah, maybe I'm gonna do that in intramurals. Intramurals, I'm invaluable. I am the team captain and the official setter. Oh, burn! I actually everything does think that setter just don't do anything. Actually, without the setter, the spiker wouldn't do anything. He or she cannot do anything without the setter. Because the setter is the one who sets for it so that the spiker can move the spike. Without the setter, it's really hard for the spikers to make a spike. And they said that on all of our sports, the red team always win. So now I'm gonna flip that over, because I'm already varsity, so they will have no chance in winning in volleyball and also in basketball, because both of those I am gonna win. And then this bad boy, you will remember, and then I was going to do before my periodic mid test that when I'm introduced with that's my little brother Andre. But you're gonna meet him next week on the Remember meeting. Okay, and actually our house is not yet fully finished, but we already live here. The wirings outside and the paint is not yet put. If the wirings are not yet in, we cannot paint it. Because if we already painted it and the wirings not yet, that will be a harder job and more expensive. So they are working on maybe on the outside they remove our two legs, but I don't know where in earth is the station. Then also I'm also a music lover. I can play the guitar, I can play the flute, and I can also sing, but not that good at sing. Yeah. Okay, now see you later on my next video. Bye guys! Bye!